Okay, so here we have a typical three-phase control panel. This specific one is for 4 zones, which means it has 4 lances, and every panel goes out pre-programmed for whatever the customer requires. So here you see the circuit breakers for each of the fans, the contactors for each of the fans, and the main controller and the sockets where the leads will be plugged into. To alter the target temperature, you press set, it comes up with what the target is, and then you can alter it by pressing the up or down arrows until you reach your desired temperature. Then press set. And that's all there is to it. You can see your probe temperatures. Each zone, press mode to change zones. That's pretty much it. You can change the mode. So at the moment, zone 4 is on automatic. So if you was to then press the up arrow, turn it on, you can turn it off or leave it in automatic. You can change zones, do the same with each zone. Everything leaves the factory in automatic.